Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to delete any files or folders without sending to recycle bin in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So whenever we try to delete our respective file or folder by right mouse clicking, you can see your delete option. So if I click on this delete, then by default, it will send to the recycle bin, right? So let me open it. So you can see here, it's sent to the recycle bin. So I want it to get delete immediately without sending to recycle bin. So for this, what you need to do is just right mouse click on the recycle bin and click on this properties. Now select the respective drive. So say C drive and select the second option, don't move files to recycle bin, and click on apply. Now you can do the same thing for the D drive also. But right now I'll just enable this option for the C drive and click on OK. Now let me try to delete this respective folder again. So let me click on this delete option. Now you can see here the file gets deleted immediately without sending to recycle bin. So let me open it. So you can see it's not being sent to the recycle bin. So if you want to restore it back, then just right mouse click on the recycle bin again and click on properties. Select the respective drive where you have changed the settings. Now just select this custom size again, click on apply, click on OK. Then it will restore back to the default option. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily delete any files or folders without sending to recycle bin in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.